Quick video this morning. This is a Honda Odyssey with the wheelchair power ramp system, also with the power suspension kneel system, where it lowers the vehicle down for extreme easy access and low approach on the handicap ramp. This is a touring edition with very low mileage. This is only the second Honda we have ever had like this. My aunt and uncle actually had one. He was in a wheelchair after a stroke. They purchased one of these. They had to go all the way to Florida to locate it, if I remember correctly. And when we sold it, I think it went back across the country somewhere, or went across the country. 58,000 miles, as you can see. Still has the protective film on the floor. Carpet still sparkles. We have not touched this vehicle. It has the roll-away front seat for the passenger, where the wheelchair can roll to the front with the drop floor. Sunroof, rear entertainment, ice cold AC. The Touring Edition is much more loaded. Does have the power door option. Michelin tires, alloy wheels. Still has the rear seat in place. Easy stowaway. And actually, just realizing this van has the driver's seat feature to where the handicapped person or wheelchair bound person can drive the vehicle. These seats roll out of the way, passenger and driver side, so would be functional for somebody in a wheelchair to drive the vehicle. Did not realize it had that feature. The last one we had did not. But all around, very solid unit. We're going to service it and inspect it. It just arrived this morning, but no check engine lights, no trouble codes. The kneel system is operating fine. That's what you hear, the clicking, because it's actually a I believe a chain operated system where it pulls the vehicle down on that side, so it's working like it's supposed to. Goes all the way down till it hits the ground, and then you hear that clicking noise. But overall, for just arriving, a pretty darn clean van, low miles, runs out smooth and clean, well equipped. Thanks for watching.